Getting ready to sell? Let's talk smart, budget-friendly ways to add top-tier value before you list. A little prep goes a long way. Buyers pay more for homes that look fresh, functional, and well-maintained, so your effort pays off. First things first, clear out clutter and deep clean everything. Cleaner homes look bigger, brighter, and more inviting. Next up, fresh paint and updated hardware. New doorknobs, cabinet pulls, and neutral paint can transform without breaking the bank. First impressions count. Trim bushes, plant flowers, clean the driveway, and make your front door pop with a new coat of paint. Accessories boost looks, new faucets, bright lighting, and stylish shower heads make kitchens and bathrooms shine. Don't let little things derail your listing. Fix squeaky doors, foggy windows, leaky faucets. Buyers notice even the small stuff. Pack away personal items, add neutral decor, and stage spaces to highlight flow and function, especially in living areas. Brighten things up with LED lighting, install smart thermostats or efficient fixtures. Modern touches can justify a higher price. Every fix has a cost and payoff. Talk to your agent about what remodels bring the best return in your neighborhood. Ready to maximize your listing price? Contact 10X General Contracting to fix up your space. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips.